Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's Wednesday, which means it's a Walt Disney Wednesday, and it's actually a takeover day. So we're gonna be seeing Clueless Mama D treating us to an amazing video today. So let's get going.
Hi, it's Clueless Mama D here, and it is another takeover. Auntie Tay has asked me to come here and do another Walt Disney Wednesday with you guys, and today we are making super awesome, super adorable, super affordable Walt Disney and Minnie Mouse Easter baskets. Hallelujah! Jesus is alive. I love Easter. It's one of my favorite holidays, and I thought, why not share this awesome DIY with you guys? Because let's be real, how cute are kids gonna be holding these baskets? I got all of the stuff from the dollar store, so anybody can do it. Oh, that's not true. I did have the spray paint. I got that from Michael's Arts and Crafts with a coupon at 40% off. Those of you who don't know me, I'm Clueless Mama D because on my channel, I go from clueless to I got this on lots of things, including DIYs. So I really hope that you will enjoy this one. Make sure if you haven't already, you hit subscribe on Auntie Tay's channel. She's got an awesome channel. Okay, it's jam-packed. Most of you guys know that. And if you want to get to know me better, you can connect with me in the comments. I'll check them out here, or you can visit my channel after as well, which will be in the description. But for now, let's get to it.
So you'll need some yellow and black felt or foam paper, a glue gun, painter's tape, some red and white polka dot ribbon, red and black spray paint, and you'll also need a basket, one for Mickey, one for Minnie. Try not to get a colored basket like this. If you can get the plain one so it's easier to spray paint, that would be good. We're going to do the top portion black. If I was a normal human being, I would use newspaper to cover it, but I didn't have any, so I used this Forever 21 bag, and I left some space for the painter's tape. Just wrap it and spray away. If you were patient, you would do different layers of spray paint, but I'm not the most patient, so I just kind of saturated it. And as you can peel off, there's a little bit of leakage, but we're going to cover that up with red, so it's not a big deal. And put some more painters after it's dry, of course. You're going to put some more painter tape around the top, just so that when we spray the red, we're not covering up the black. And just a little bit on the handle. You don't need to go all the way around the handle. And spray away. So once that's dry, you can take it off, and you can see what I mean about if you have a colored basket, it kind of seeps through. If you could find a red basket, that would be awesome. Then you wouldn't have to do the other part. Now, I just took a round cup or container and I circled this on some black paper that I had. Foam paper would have been nicer. This is to do the ears. And I made 2 circles after I folded the paper in half. Now, please don't come at me. You guys who know Auntie Tay, she knows how to make Mickey and Minnie ears awesome. This is actually my first time doing it, so don't judge me. And I'm just using what I had in the house. So I put some glue on the middle here and just stuck it on the handle after I knew where I was going to put it. But again, I would have rather have had like some black cardstock to use so that the ears were a little bit more stiff. And then I took some white felt paper, I guess I forgot to say we need that, and I cut out nickel-sized portions of it and just hot glued it onto the basket to make Minnie's dress. Just like that. After I took the ribbon, actually this isn't exactly ribbon, it's almost like a burlap that I got at the dollar store. It was cheaper than buying ribbon, so I went with this. And I measured some out and hot glued and just folded it in 3/4. It's 12 by 7 was the measurement. And then I folded it again, and this is to make Minnie's bow. This is a little stiffer than ribbon, but you just kind of scrunch it in the middle to make the bow. And once you kind of like the shape, once you get the shape you like, you can take a little string that kind of matches either red or white and just kind of wrap it around so that it stays bunched together. If you had a ribbon, you could probably just hot glue in the middle too, but like I said, this was stiff, so I had to do this. And then I cut another little piece. It was about like 1.5, and then I just kind of guesstimated how long to go. And this is just to wrap over the string I used to tie the bow. Put a little hot glue. And burned my hand as usual. My hands are a mess from this DIY. I've got spray paint, glue, and my nail polish was a horrible job too, so. I did see online similar baskets to this, and they're so adorable. Comment below and let me know if you guys have ever seen something like this for Easter baskets. Isn't it cute? So there's what the mini bow looks like in between the ears. And I bought this yellow paper because, you know, Minnie sometimes has yellow shoes and Mickey has his yellow buttons. So I just crunched that and put that in. Easter grass, I think it's called. And then for Mickey, he's low maintenance. So I just drew his buttons. I just guesstimated the size. I went with a smaller size because I kind of looked at the basket again. So you can just kind of see what fits your basket best. And you want to cut out 2 of these sort of oblong shapes out of the yellow felt paper. And literally just glue them on where they look right. Mickey is extremely easy to do. Voila! And that is it. Minnie and Mickey Mouse Easter baskets. They are so cute and so easy to make. I really hope you enjoyed this Clueless who I got this Easter basket DIY. Make sure you subscribe to Auntie Tay and please come visit me on my channel. I love to mingle in the comments as well. I hope you guys have a wonderful Easter. Until next time.